Hit it.
Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Thank you, Father, for allowing me to see another wonderful and amazing day. Welcome back, my beloved kings and queens, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Joyce McTeer, and I am the owner and operator of the Georgia Creation Designs. All right, y'all. So I'm coming to y'all because I don't know if y'all know, Michaels have been running an amazing sale. Yep, an amazing sale. And for those of you who do a lot of paper projects, they had these on sale for $4.99, y'all. The original price is $9.99, $4.99. Okay, go and get yours. All right, I'm gonna show y'all. We're gonna go through each one of these sheets, starting from the back, so y'all can actually see what's in here. Look at this. Look at this. I think you get 48. Let me back it up a little bit. Slow up, Jaws. 48 sheets, and I think it's 3 per page. Okay, so let's just start in the front. This is the first one. Look at all of that. Yes, and you get 3 sheets of these. Okay, 3 sheets. Of course, you get something plain. You get 3 of these. This is gorgeous. And this, you know what, y'all? You can do earrings, you can do necklaces, you can do paper beads, you can do all kinds of ideas using this. Look at this. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Yep, that part right there. That part right there. I'm going to bring this up so y'all can see it. Look at that. Look at that. Yes. Absolutely amazing. The blue. Yes, I love all of it. $4.99. They have it on sale now. The original price is $9.99. Look at this. Look at that. Yes. Y'all, I did not go in there for this. They had this displayed at the front door when you first come in. They got it was sitting right there. And I asked the lady to make sure. I said, is this $4.99? Well, it had a sign up there, but I want to make sure because sometimes when you go in certain stores, they may have a sale sign there and it may still be on sale or it may not still be on sale. But this, I believe, is still on sale. I purchased this on Sunday, this Sunday. And so, yes, y'all, look at this. Look at this. If you love doing any type of paper jewelry, paper crafts, look at that. It's amazing. Like I said, it's 3 sheets each. I'm going through this as fast as I can. But look at this part. For those of you who do book craftings, I may not even be saying that word correctly, but yep. At the very tail end, 3 sheets, and that is the end of that. But go, this is what it is. This is what it is called, Artist Palette. And it's by Craft Smith. Special edition. All right. 12 inch by 12 inch, 30.4 centimeters by 30.4 centimeters, 48 sheets. Yes, y'all, this is everything. And they don't not only have this, they have them, they had about, I'm going to say about maybe 3 or 4 or 5 different other ones, okay? other ones that have pretty designs and all that stuff to it. So with that being said, I want to take this time to say thank y'all so much for watching. And until my next upload, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and happy crafting. Have an amazing day, everyone. See ya.